Before I go ride, I have a checklist of things that I go through to make sure my bike is ready to go, especially if it's the first ride of the year. Prepping for the season includes more than just the bike, but the gear too. When it comes to chains, sprockets, and brakes, they're often overlooked, but there's a lot of moving parts down there and they wear out a lot faster than you might expect. There are a lot of different options when it comes to choosing a sprocket for your bike. If you're looking for something that's long lasting and don't mind it being a little bit heavier, you'll probably want to get a steel sprocket. If you're looking for something lighter but may wear out a little bit faster, aluminum is the way to go. But if you want something that's the best of both worlds, aluminum inside, steel outside for the durability on this Renthal twin ring sprocket. We've also got this dirt trick sprocket, which is made out of zirconium, and it's a couple ounces lighter even than the aluminum, and it also lasts more like the steel sprocket. A quality chain is very important. O-rings are a longer lasting, more durable option, while a non-O-ring like this one from DID is more of a racing style chain. There's also an X-ring, which is meant to be a blend of both. I'm going to show you the difference between a new chain and an old chain. And the old chain doesn't even have very many hours on it. But look at all the play between the links on the old chain. They're both laying the same way, bent to the max, and the old one goes that much further. Next time you get a new chain, try this. I'm sure you'll be glad you got it. No matter what, whenever you replace one, you need to replace the other. If you replace a chain without the sprockets, it'll wear out the new chain faster than it should. We have all-in-one kits from Renthal, Turner, and Sunstar on the site. Other parts that are often overlooked are the slider and chain block. If you let one of those things wear too thin, it can cause your chain to wear out faster or to break. Companies like Acherbys and TM Design Works have a more durable, hard plastic option.